Alright guys, what we're doing today, we are putting new wheels on the truck, and I'm gonna lower the idle because I had raised it for the winter. Now it's summertime, I need to lower it because it's too high. It's idling about at 1,000 RPM, and it used to idle below 700, so sometimes it wouldn't want to start in summer with the remote start. So I raised up the idle so it will start every time. But all right, let me put a jack and get to removing some tires. Hold on. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be able to see, but to raise or lower the idle, it's this little screw right here. It's right behind this on a 12 valve. You see, you move it, and you can see it back there. It's pretty much just the resting point of this throttle linkage. You have to lower it or put it higher depending on how what throttle, what RPM you want it to stay at, to idle at. Alright guys, I think I got it around 750. That way when the AC turns on, it'll go around 500, 600 RPM. Because if you have it too low, sometimes it all dies out. Okay. There you have it. So it's just right under here, this little bolt. You move it, it's that bolt. You will untighten it right there, and then you will adjust it. Sometimes the top one tries to spin, so what I put pressure on this and then tighten down the nut, and then it stopped from spinning. All right, let's try to test fit the new wheels and see how they look. Say hi to the camera, Harley. Of course. Got these for $650 online on the marketplace. 2018 Dodge 2500 wheels. We'll see if they fit. lower this side and then we'll lift up the back. Well guys, what we thought was going to be an easy task turned into a hard task. Let me show you. So these rims, as you can see, now have a big hole like the other ones. You see this? Big nice hole. Well here, the axle, it doesn't go all the way because it hits. So that means we can install these wheels today. I ordered some spacers, so I ordered 2-inch spacers. Hopefully that's enough to put them on. I think it'll be enough. I thought about cutting this off, but then it might lose structural rigidity. So as of now, probably gonna take off the front ones. Pretty good thread on these. I totally forgot about this big hub. Oh well. Live and you learn. Don't make the same error, guys. Alright guys, I got the spacers. I'm gonna take off the wheel and put on the spacers, and then put on the other wheels. Hopefully it should all work now. Alright guys, gonna give the truck a little wash with the new wheels. It's pretty filthy right now. About to fill up the bucket and give it a little wash, see how it looks. Nice and washed. Here goes Harley Bears. Water? No. No. You want water? Drink water. No. Hey. No. You're nasty. Drink. So we usually use McGuire's car wash soap. It's very foamy, and I like it way better than anything. guys, these are my old headlights. I like them, but I hit a duck the other day. The duck flew into me and it broke my headlight. So I got these on eBay. Yes, I know eBay. And I actually like them because they're adjustable. And with the LED lights, everybody used to think I was blinding them on purpose. But now I'm gonna be able to adjust them more down or up depending on how the light is. I'm gonna install them and I'm gonna show you guys how they look. Okay, so the new headlights are in. That one you can't really tell because the difference I noticed, the previous ones, it was together as one piece. And you see, it's one single piece, and now these are separate. So before, if that one broke, then obviously you had to replace the whole thing. But now I can just switch out this. But yeah, I think she looks pretty good, nice and washed up. I fall in love every time I wash it. Too bad it's not often. All right, guys, I gotta go get my semi. It's at the mechanic, so we'll call you. We'll talk later. Stay safe out there. See you next time.